How are you? こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Today's video is 聴解語。聴解語。This is listening number 5. At first, I'm going to explain you some vocabularies. And after, I'm gonna tell you very slowly this 聴解問題. Very slowly. But the second time, the normal speed. Faster, but with subtitles in Japanese. And after that, in the end, I'm going to ask you some questions about this 聴解問題. 来週 next week. This 来 comes from the verb 来ます to come. 週 this is week. So the week that is going to come. 来週 next week. 家族 family. This か comes from this kanji 家or uchi, it means the house. And zoku, this is like a group, the group of people. Kazoku, this is family. This adverb, 一緒に, it means together. For example, 私と一緒に, with me, together with me. Or あなたと一緒に, with you, or together with you. Trip or travel, like the noun, this is 旅行. 旅行 and I go on a trip 旅行します or we can say 旅行に行きます Mount Fuji we say 富士山 富士山 and this san this is not like a, for example with a name 田中さん Suzuki san but not this san but this is the from this kanji and it means the mountain. So, Fuji-san, Mount Fuji, Fuji-san. When you see only one kanji, this, then you pronounce Yama. Yama, it means the mountain. But the name of the mountain, then this is the name, and the last one is the same kanji, this Yama. But in this case, in Onyomi, we pronounce San. So, Fuji-san. 近い it means near. This is e adjective. And if I want to change to the adverb, then instead of e, I put ku 近く. It means in the nearby. So this is adverb. 近く adverb and 近い e adjective. Near. Traditional Japanese style in, we say 旅館. 旅館. Look at this kanji, 旅 this comes from 旅行 旅行 this is trip, travel, 旅行 so this is the meaning. And 館 this is for example 図書館 this is bibliothèque, library. And also 映画館 film theater, movie theater. So this 館 it is kind of building, official building and for everybody. So this is the building for the trip. 旅館泊まります It means to stay overnight. But only 泊まります with this, the same pronunciation, it can mean the different things, like to stop, like this. But here, please look at this kanji. This part is さんずい. This is like katakana shi, and this the right part is white color. Then this one 泊まります with this kanji, it means to stay overnight. And some place に泊まります For example, I stay at my friend's house. 友達の家に泊まります I stay at a hotel. ホテルに泊まります I stay at 旅館に泊まります温泉 This is hot spring. 温泉 In Japan, there are many onsen. The view, the scenery, or the landscape. All of these things we say 景色 景色 We say like this 景色がいい景色がいいです It means the view is good. 景色が悪いです。View is not good. 景色が悪いです。景色が 素晴らしいです。Scenery is fantastic, marvelous. 素晴らしい This is E adjective. 素晴らしい It means fantastic, marvelous, wonderful, superb, or brilliant, excellent, amazing. All of these kind of things. So fantastic things. This is 素晴らしい There's other adjective. 素敵 素敵 This is な adjective. And the meaning is almost the same as 素晴らしい Then the difference between these two words 素晴らしい and 素敵 The meaning is the same 素晴らしい is E adjective 素敵 な adjective 素晴らしい is when I speak more objectively But 素敵 is more personal feeling And also in the spoken language, we say more 素敵 than 素晴らしい。場所 or only the second kanji and ところ it means the place. So if I say 素晴らしいところ marvelous place, wonderful place. 浴衣 is a casual cotton kimono. Pajamas, we say like this.Can you read this? This one, ha and maru, pa. Ha and maru, pa. And second one, shi and ten, ji. But they are small ya, so ji and ya, ja, ja. And the last one, ma, pajama. Pajama, pajamas. Let's see the difference between 持ってきます、連れてきます。And also, 持って行きます、連れて行きます。At first, we must see the difference between 行きます and 来ます。行きます to go. 来ます to come. In English, you say to bring. Bring something 持ってきます。Because 持ちます in the hand. You keep in the hand. 持ってきます。You bring something here. 連れてきます。Bring someone or some animals. 連れてきます。持って行きます。To hold something in the hand and go. So it means to take something. And 連れて行きます with the persons. So take someone. We usually have 玄関 in Japanese house. 玄関 is like a hall or the entrance or the entryway. This is 玄関 where we take off our shoes. The shoes, we say 靴. This one with this kanji, 靴. 脱ぎます to take off, like take off clothes. 脱ぎます。履きます。履きます it means to put on. For example, 靴を履きます。I put on shoes. 靴を履きます。But this 履きます we don't use, for example, 洋服を履きます we don't say it. The clothes. We say 履きます with the things under the waist. It means, for example, the trousers, shoes, or socks. These kind of things, when we put on these shoes, like trousers like this, then we use 履きます to put on. Slippers, we say like this. Can you read this? This is the first one, すり and small つ. So this is the jump sound. And は and 丸. は and 丸, this is ぱ. So, スリッパ. スリッパ. This is slippers. The verb to walk. 歩きます. This is the group 1. So, 歩きます。歩いて、歩いた。歩く、歩かない。The rooms of the house, the rooms of the hotel. We say 部屋。部屋. In Japanese style room, we've got 畳. And I don't think there's some kind of translations. We say 畳. Tatami is tatami. Or a tatami mat. And this is the kanji. And we say 畳. The feelings or the sensation, we say 気持ち. 気持ち. I feel so good. I feel comfortable. We say 気持ちがいい. We also use 気持ちがいい when I feel so refreshed. For example, just after the shower, I feel so refreshed and so nice. 気持ちがいい。In the other hand, when we feel so sick, I feel so bad. I feel so sick. Then we say 気持ちが悪い。We use also 気持ちが悪い when we want to say something like disgusting. It's gross, yucky. And these kind of things, we say 気持ちが悪い。Lake, we say 湖。湖。But when I say 湖 and lake, then maybe you might think, oh, the kanji must be 水 water. Okay? 海. This is the sea, like the sea, ocean, the beach, sea, 海. But not like this. 湖, we've got this kanji. Only one kanji, this one, and it is 湖, lake. We write like the first one, 山水. It's like she from katakana. And here, the second part is 古い, the old. And here, the last one, 月, the moon. And hold this one, hold these three parts. This is 湖, lake. Fun, awesome, joyful. 楽しい. 楽しい. This is e adjective. And this is so present things. Now, instead of い楽しい, I change to み楽しみ. It is the noun. This is noun instead of adjective. When we say, 楽しみです。楽しみ. It means, I can't wait. I can't wait for it. I'm so excited. I'm looking forward to it. These kind of things. 楽しみです。Let's begin with this 聴解 exercise. At first, very, very slowly. 来週、家族と一緒に旅行に行きます。富士山の近くの旅館に3日間泊まります。温泉があって、景色も良くて、とても素晴らしいところです。日本の旅館は浴衣がありますから、パジャマは持っていかなくてもいいです。でも、玄関で靴を脱がなければなりません。そこにスリッパがありますから、スリッパを履きます。旅館の中ではスリッパで歩きます。部屋に畳がありますから、スリッパも脱がなければなりません。畳はとても気持ちがいいです。富士山は日本で一番高くて美しい山です。富士山の近くにきれいな湖もありますから楽しみです。どうでしたか？だいたいわかりましたか？では次はもっと速いスピードです。来週家族と一緒に旅行に行きます。富士山の近くの旅館に3日間泊まります。温泉があって景色も良くて素晴らしいところです。日本の旅館は浴衣がありますからパジャマは持っていかなくてもいいです。でも玄関で靴を脱がなければなりません。そこにスリッパがありますからスリッパを履きます。旅館の中ではスリッパで歩きます。部屋に畳がありますからスリッパも脱がなければなりません。畳はとても気持ちがいいです。富士山は日本で一番高くて美しい山です。富士山の近くにきれいな湖もありますから楽しみです。 Now a quiz time with 5 questions. So the 5 I'm gonna tell you in Japanese. Please write them down like dictation using hiragana, katakana, and if you can, please use kanjis too. And these 5 dictation is at the same time is the questions. So please answer them. 1番目。この人は来週何をしますか？この人は来週何をしますか？この人は来週何をしますか？この人は来週何をしますか？ 2 番目。パジャマを持っていかなければなりませんか？パジャマを持っていかなければなりませんか？パジャマを持っていかなければなりませんか？パジャマを持っていかなければなりませんか？ 3 番目。どこで靴を脱がなければなりませんか？どこで靴を脱がなければなりませんか？脱がなければなりませんか？どこで靴を脱がなければなりませんか？どこで靴を脱がなければなりませんか？ 4 番目。富士山はどんな山ですか？富士山はどんな山ですか？どんな山ですか？富士山はどんな山ですか？富士山はどんな山ですか？ 5 番目、最後です。富士山の近くに何がありますか？富士山の近くに何がありますか？富士山の近くに何がありますか？富士山の近くに何がありますか？ Good job! If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. Please do it. Now listen to me again, other listening. いかがでしたか？今日は聴解の練習をしました。どうですか？難しかったですか？でももしわからなかったら何回も聞き直して一生懸命考えてください。それから日本語の発音とかエントネーションもよく分かってきましたか？だんだん慣れてくると思います。このビデオが気に入ってくださったらぜひいいねボタン忘れないでください。そしてチャンネル登録、それから私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったらとても嬉しいです。本当に助かります。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあね、またね。